Who am I? What am I? These are the questions that our fellow citizens have in their minds and in their hearts. But I am proud to be a Filipino. Well, in 7,107 islands, different groups are formed: Tagalog, Waray, Bisaya, Ilonggo, and etc. But in that differences, they or we unite as one to become united. And also because of culture and tradition, we try to respect and try to understand what is the true meaning of it. So, also, breathtaking places mesmerize tourists and foreign investors in our country. Chocolate hills in Bohol and Taal Volcano in Batangas are sample of it. And because of this, also, local animals, we should be all be proud that we have tarsiers, monkey-eating eagle, and tamarins. Also, different Pinoy delicacies linger our taste buds: adobo, Bicol Express, etc. And eating with our bare hand, exactly, we can say that food trip more fun in the Philippines. Filipinos are the hospitable person to our guests. We entertain, we entertain and honor, we entertain and offer things that we can to our guests. You are a Filipino if you do the policy, honesty is the best policy. And because of this, Filipino workers are hardworking and skilled workers. So foreign businesses likes to hire Filipinos. Also, Pinoy talents are one of the most amazing talents in the world. And also amazing. And in sports, Filipinos have no hesitation to fight world competitions and brought the good attitude as a good sportsman. Also, Pinoy beauties are one of the best beauties in the world, and it can step up in the world. Also, because of this talents and these talents are beauties, we are known globally. Because of these natural resources, attitudes, talents, and beauties, we should be proud of it. Filipinos, we should be proud of it. Also, because of this talent, because of these things, Filipinos, and because of these things, being a Filipino is so great. So, answer the question. Who are you? What are you? But I am proud to be a Filipino.